bothering her or something. That's the only thing I can assume. I honestly do not know, Your Honor. I've been doing my classes, just thought about probation, been trying to do good.
You were on probation for harassment. Can I give you a cause number?
Yes, please.
It's 247-4460. Mr. Travis Robinson was placed on probation for harassment in March of this year. What did we ask you not to do? Right. Have you been bothering her?
Our child together. I think she must have not liked that I was trying to ask for my FaceTime that is from child support orders. And I guess she must have thought I was harassing her from me continuously asking or calling to get it. And I think that turned into harassment. It was nothing towards her.
What does harass mean, Mr. Robinson? Over, and over, and over, and over. You can read the jury box. I'm gonna get you a lawyer today.
So right there.
Please appoint someone to Mr. Robinson, please. We need to have.
Hey, Mr. Robinson, he is on a defer for harassing people.
Oh, okay, got it. You
And
got
I
it.
talked to the chief, and it looks like there hasn't been a formal motion yet, but that's
I have
coming.
one right now.
Okay.
But I need to email this to you first. So I want you to look at it and then talk with him about it.
Okay, I will revisit you on that one. Let me look at everything.
Let me send it to you real quick.
JD Law.
Yes, Andrew?
Oh, I'm sorry. Come on.
No worries, Judge. We were talking about that anyway, but, Judge, I did, Mr. Robinson, Travis Robinson on, Judge, according to Mr. Robinson, he's been complying with, the non-threatening harassment on this.
Quick question for the viewers, does intent matter if the behavior still crosses a line? He says it's just about FaceTime with his child, but repeated unwanted calls? That's exactly how harassment cases form. Keep watching, because the judge is about to make that distinction crystal clear.
Particular situation, per the Attorney General's office and part of his compliance in child support, he gets 15 minutes of FaceTime with their mutual child. And that's all he was trying to do, was just to try to call her so he can get his 15 minutes. Now, that's what he's telling me. I have no way to verify any of that, Judge. I just heard all of that this morning. But, you know, it kind of makes sense to me. I showed him the video with him calling from 7:30 to 7:45.
I had a lengthy.
The judge sending him straight to the jury box? Oh, that's the courtroom version of "have a seat, we're not done." This means things are serious enough that the judge wants him contained while legal counsel gets involved.
Conversation with him prior to getting on probation that in the event she failed to comply with what he was able to get as far as FaceTime, that he was to go to the family court and use them as the avenue to either hold her in contempt, have her fined, jailed, whatnot for non-compliance with their custody agreement.
I agree, Judge.
He was not to take matters into his own hands.
Well,
And
all I can tell you is based on the call logs that she screenshot over and I looked at what you sent me, it shows that from 7:32 to 7:40-ish something that he made these series of calls. There's no way we can tell because she declined all the calls. And I said, well, you know, you're calling a lot. And he goes, yes, because I was trying to get through to FaceTime so I can talk to my child as part of my child support compliance. That's all I was doing. I never made communications to her, didn't even have words with her.
20 calls in a matter of 3 or 4 minutes.
But if you're trying to get to me, it's reasonable, Judge, because he's trying to get through.
How many times is not reasonable? Well, come up, Mr. Robinson.
If he was trying to get through FaceTime, he would keep trying because he only has that allowed time to get through to see his daughter.
I told you the last time you were here that in the event she was non-compliant with your custody arrangement, you were not to take matters into your own hands with the repeated 20 to 50 to 150 phone calls that you do. I have proof to the contrary, Mr. Robinson. And if something is happening to where she is busy, that she cannot get a hold of you, how do you know that she's not having a crisis of her own? For you to call 20 times in a matter of a minute or two is harassment.
Think of situations. Like she could have been busy. Baby could have been sick. That's why she didn't.
Now it's a little bit too late.
Myself instead of.
And here's the turning point: 20 calls in a matter of 3 or 4 minutes. Legally? That's textbook harassment, even if the intention is innocent. Judges look at impact, not intention. And repeated attempts after being told not to? That's a violation all day long.
Ma'am, he goes with you. Bye-bye, Mr. Robinson. You didn't get it last time.
Yeah,
See if it happens this time.
So let me figure it out.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Stay away from me.
don't set him down, please.
Take care of this one, Judge, and then I'll come back.
I'm gonna scare her.
You want to let us think about it?
Give me 30 minutes.
But I've talked to Mr. Robinson. He is truly remorseful. He knows he didn't make the best judgment. He did get a new job at Cracker Barrel on the town center in 59. He's terrified that he's going to lose it. He has to go to work at 9 in the morning. His mom is actually waiting.
Mom's here?
No, she's in the car downstairs waiting on that. So I told him that I would. I just wanted to kind of update you what I found out more. He is, you know, in terms of AG and
complaining witness is absolutely fed up with him calling and calling and calling. And how many, do you have the case pulled up?
Judge, if we, you know, give him a
When the judge says now it's a little bit too late, that's the moment you know consequences are landing. Notice how she gives examples: crises, childcare, emergencies. She's reminding him that the world doesn't orbit his schedule. This is where empathy meets accountability.
Zero tolerance, 1 too many times, and he's going in. I mean, anything I mean, I saw it, Judge. I get you. I mean, but again, if there's this FaceTime thing that he's just trying to see his, you know, see his daughter. But I mean, why don't you just say, you know, besides the no contact, I mean the FaceTime, just don't have any communication with the ex, and that way they have some space, and he's only allowed to call during the FaceTime time. And if that's not possible,
the problem is that Shatoria, what exactly did we tell him that he was not allowed to contact her only for purposes of the visitation? What do we do now?
But I think it's, you know, harassing the person.
Well, that I know. Yeah, I mean, because
That 4066.
I'm trying to pull it up right now.
4066.
Yeah. Sorry, man. I'm trying to pull it up. 247-4460. That's, you know, maybe no contact except for the time.
I don't think he's incapable of having contact without, you know. So maybe we should just do no contact at all.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. That no contact except for
Or like, you know, didn't add anything about.
All we did
less
was
time or
just
anything.
no threatening, harassing, abusive contact, and that's obviously,
But they have like, as part of his child support, he has 15 minutes of FaceTime. And that's the time.
do you have
Still 2 minutes.
personally?
The probation officer did, in this case, with the hospital.
Okay, so will you, I'm now gonna modify the conditions, no contact whatsoever.
Yeah, exactly.
He's incapable of doing it without, unless, so now I can't trust him anymore, so just no more contact. He's gonna have to find another way to have contact with the child.
And if he doesn't want to sign, then how do you want?
Well, then I'm gonna put him in jail. I'll keep him. That's it.
Judge, we have
Tell me.
a possible solution.
I was gonna say just no contact.
Well, I mean,
It's okay, Kevin, tell me what you're thinking.
is there an established time that he is supposed to contact? Because if she's just willfully withdrawn, not allowing him.
I don't know. We don't have,
Judge, I think there is, I think it's that during that time frame.
can you from him now get a copy of the custody order, or perhaps I can look at it?
I don't have that,